everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I'm out here up at Manning Park on my next adventure. I think objective is Claimstake Mountain, and once we get there, I'll check in with you guys later. Peace out!
I like in your color right now. That's what I'm saying.
Your picture perfect.
I'm white. Don't touch it. That's good. No, like the native Indian the wall. Yeah, I know. The wall.
Hey, Alex, smile, come on.
There you go.
Okay.
No, that's not outside.
What's that tall in there?
I don't know.
And that must be holding
Okay, here's.
Hi everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I finally arrived to the summit of Claimstake Mountain, and this is located in Manning Park, BC. Let's talk about the trail stats on this trail. We hiked about, right now at this point, 11.25. Assuming our total round trip will probably be about 23 kilometers, and the elevation gain is 1,245 meters. At the highest point is 2,045 meters from sea level. This hike is classified as I would say a little bit difficult, because at the very last section there is a class 2 to class 3 scrambling, loose rocks and talus. Average time will probably be like about 9 hours to complete, I'm assuming, but yeah, it's quite nice today up in the Cascade Mountains. So beautiful. Anyways, hope you guys are having an amazing day, and stay tuned for my next adventure. And if you guys like my YouTube video, please hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned. All right, have a great day. Bye now.
You guys can go first.